This message you're seeing here is from one of my student channel, and this my student channel was rejected for monetization, and basically what she do create is shorts, as you guys can see here. So if I'll go ahead to read what YouTube said about what actually happened to the channel is, after reviewing your channel using a combination of automated system and human review, we found out it doesn't meet with our policy, and the feedback was reuse content. And here is what she have to do. One, appeal if you think we have made a mistake. If you think we have made a mistake, send an appeal telling us why. We'll review and appeal your feedback back and give you a decision within 14 days. Once choose this option. You can only choose this option if you haven't deleted any videos since your channel was suspended from monetization. Now, the last day to submit an appeal was given to us on the 14th of August 2025. And here now they said option 2 is for her to do what? Is for her to edit her channel and then reapply. And of course they say review our feedback, then make changes to your channels and include editing or deleting videos and or updating videos details. You can reapply starting August 23rd, 2025, as long as your channel meet the requirements. So this particular of my girl channel is just a short channel. That is just what she creates. So let's go to her short channel so that I will show you guys exactly how she do create her shorts for those of you creating shorts, so that you do not make the same mistake. You guys already know that 99% of what YouTube will actually tell you is reuse content on when your monetization is not accepted. That's what 99% of different channels are. That is why I will keep being precise on be very careful with what you do on your channel. So I will explain everything that happened, right? So let's check her channel. So this is me sharing my screen record, so that I'll attach it. My screen record is already started, right? So this is her channel. You can see it's a Glamour Goddess Sugar. I already took permission from her and she said no problem, right? So this is her channel and you can see her short videos. So this is the short videos that she created. What she do basically is create short videos, and her short videos do have a lot of views, right? In fact, her short videos, they are like, she's good because she's very creative. That's why I keep telling people, if you really want to maximize shorts, you have to be very creative. On my own end, I even know that I'm not really that creative yet when it comes to short video, probably because I've not really narrowed down my interest in that. I don't know. So you can see her short videos here. One is even having over 613K. So even if you want to go and recreate this kind of short videos, you can also check out for our channel Glamour Goddess and then recreate. But do not forget to subscribe to our channel because she's a very special student to me. And yeah, so this was her short. And after we went through her short to start checking her shorts to see what actually was the problem, we find out that there are some videos that she re-uploaded twice. Apart from that, there are some videos that she used the same videos but different sounds. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. The same videos but different sound, right? Let me stop this share screen first. The same videos but different sound, and that alone made YouTube to see it as a reused content, right? And there are some videos that was, I don't even know how to put it. I think she would have been in the best position to like explain. But anyways, if you are creating shorts, let me put this out clear for you. If you're creating shorts, make sure every single short you're creating, even if you're using the same sound, but it has to be like different acting. Because I think there are some of our videos that she used the same sound and the same acting as well. And we have to start going through the channel one after the other to start deleting the ones that will feel like, okay, they are reused content. So after deleting, we did not appeal. So a lot of mistake that a lot of people do whenever they have channel issues like this is to go ahead and appeal. You cannot appeal a content when you are not really sure that all your videos are follow the YouTube monetization policy. YouTube is not stupid. YouTube cannot just come and say your channel is not in line when your channel is in line. So the only time you can appeal a content is when you are very sure. And on our own case, she have over 400 and something or over 500 short as at that time. So we have to take our time, go through it. I have to tell her, you have to check anyone you repeat twice, you have to delete them. Anyone you use the same videos, uploading the same videos, you have to delete them. So she has to take her time one after the other to delete them. And I think that most things that is actually causing this for a lot of people, again, is when they create their shorts from maybe like TikTok or Instagram and then download it without watermark to upload here. So if you want to really maximize your shorts earnings on YouTube and you want YouTube to actually accept your channel here, I think it is better for you to create your short from YouTube, because if you don't know, YouTube has a lot of good sound. Yes, YouTube have a lot of good sound. Okay, so and after we re-edited it, we have to be sure that we keep checking the channels every single day. If I go to my WhatsApp message and show you how this lady has actually bugged my life, but I'm happy because she's one of the students that I really appreciate so much, right? She knows what she wants and she actually coming to get what she wants. So we have to be checking over and over for us to be sure that they meet all the single criteria. So we now reapplied. And when we reapplied, it took us over 3 days. YouTube did not even respond. That was because the first one was rejected. So over 3 days, YouTube did not respond, to the point that we've actually given up that this actually going to happen. And boom, YouTube accepted her into the monetization policy. And I'm so excited for her. So that is why I'm actually sharing this to you guys. So if you know that you are creating shorts, be very careful of the kind of shorts that you create. And apart from being very careful for the kind of shorts that you create, also make sure that most of the things you're doing fall in line with the YouTube partnership program. It is very important. I don't want this video to be too long than it is. I'm going to share in another video how much she made within just 3 days of uploading her short videos. Yes, within just 3 days, how much she actually made. It was wow, it was surprising to me. Even me, when I actually monetized my channel, I didn't make that amount of money in a whole month. In fact, in a whole 3 months, I didn't make that amount of money. It took me 6 months for me to make out my $100. And why am I saying this? I'm saying this so that you do not get discouraged. Your short videos can still get you money on YouTube. Someone that is uploading shorts made so much than me that is uploading long form videos. It took me 6 months to get my first $100. It took her just 3 days to get a whole lot. And when she shared with me, I was so happy for her. I will also share with you guys as I'm going to be filming that video. And this is me encouraging you. You don't need to wait until your long form videos are doing well. If your short form videos are things that can actually do well for you, go ahead. Do not let anybody discourage you. Anything you know you're good in, leverage on that thing. So that is why if you check her channel, you hardly see long form videos. It is recently she told me that she wants to be dropping long form videos, even if it's 1 or 2. And I told her, yes, go ahead and drop long form video, even if it's 1 or 2, but leverage and focus on your short videos. And her long form videos is not even performing bad as far as I'm concerned for someone that is leveraging all her life on short videos. And if you check, she also tried her possible best to go live. So you need to know that you can be doing these 3 things. One will pick out for you. And when the one pick out for you, leverage on that one. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So that is it. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And yes, with no further ado, I do like always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you. Mwah.